Hey everyone, welcome back. If Discord is using too much CPU on your Windows PC, causing lag, overheating, or slow performance, don't worry. This issue is common and usually linked to settings, background processes, or outdated components. Let's fix it step by step. Step 1, restart Discord and your PC. Close Discord completely from Task Manager, then reopen it. A quick restart often clears temporary CPU spikes. Step 2, disable hardware acceleration. Open Discord to user settings to advanced and turn off hardware acceleration. This reduces GPU and CPU load caused by Discord's rendering engine. Restart Discord after turning it off. Step 3, turn off unnecessary features. Go to user settings, arrow voice and video, and disable echo cancellation, noise suppression, and automatic gain control if you don't need them. These features use extra processing power. Step 4, close background apps. Apps like Chrome, OBS, or games running in the background increase CPU usage. Close unnecessary programs to free up resources. Step 5, update Discord. Make sure you're using the latest version. Updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Step 6, clear Discord cache. Press Windows plus R, type %appdata% and delete the Discord folder. Then do the same in %local app data%. Corrupted files can cause abnormal CPU usage. Step 7, update Windows and drivers. Install Windows updates and update your graphics drivers through Device Manager. Outdated drivers can increase system load. Step 8, check for malware. Run a quick system scan using Windows Security. Malware can cause unusual CPU spikes that look like Discord problems. High CPU usage usually happens because of hardware acceleration, heavy background apps, or corrupted cache files. Follow these steps and Discord should run much lighter on your system. See you in the next guide.